Hey there, this is Christy. I'm coming to you from my home to show you all about Screencast-o-matic. Screencast-o-matic is a fantastic free video presentation tool that allows you to capture a portion of your screen. You can choose whatever portion of your screen you want to show. What you can't see outside of the boundaries of this video, off to the sides, I see my background. I have some other programs open that I could flip to. I have my toolbar down at the bottom. So I'm only showing you and capturing just the part of the screen that I want you to be able to see. This is a great tool to use with Google Slides. So let's say you had a slide you wanted to go through with students and you wanted to make this video so that you could have them work on something in a center, or maybe you have a student that's absent. You can create this video, but I'm just going to click over to the tabs of the presentation I'm going to be going through today and show you how easily I can slip back and forth between the presentations I'm doing, the tabs that are open on my computer, and show you different things. What I'm going to have you do right now is I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to set up an account in Screencast-o-matic, and then I'd like for you to click on this For Education tab right up here at the top and just take a look at the different ways that you can use Screencast-o-matic in education. It's a great tool, like I said, if you want to send videos to parents. Let's say you're teaching students a new math tool or a new math hack and you want to make a quick video to show it to parents so they can work with it with their kids at home. You can make a video and send that to your parents. You can use this to collaborate with teammates, with colleagues, and then like I said, you can make videos to upload into your students' Google Drives. You can put it into Google Classroom. You can email it, whatever you need to do. It's just a really neat tool for screen capturing and being able to talk over it. So I am going to end this video, give you about 5 minutes to make your account, and then have you go into the Education tab right up here at the top and just take a look at what it can do. What you can't see in this video is right down here in this bottom corner is my little Screencast-o-matic tool, and there's a pause button that's going to allow me to stop this video, and then I'm going to get the option to upload it, and I just like to upload everything to YouTube. It makes it easier. You can also download it to your desktop, but I've noticed that sometimes I have difficulty with large video files plugging it into whatever I need to put it into, so it's just easier. It'll automatically put it into YouTube for you with your Google account, and it's super easy.